Today is November 3rd.
I'm Susanna.
And I am Vicky.
And this is
Cyber Sense!
Vicky, did you know that we have a new course, EAP 135, starting?
This week, yeah. So let's see what can we do in the ACC.
Well, there are many activities. Let's ask our students.
ACC is a place to hang out and to attend some workshops.
On Monday, come to the study zone. You can do your homework and ask Susanna for help. This helps you stay on track.
On Tuesday, we have a writing workshop. You can improve your sentence and academic writing without stress.
On Thursday, we meet volunteers and practice speaking. I love the conversation club.
And on Friday, we do some fun activities. That's why it is called Friday Fun.
Come to ACC every day!
Hey Susanna, but we didn't mention about Wednesdays.
Oh yes, Wednesdays we always invite guest speakers. This week we are meeting somebody from the wellness services, and last week,
Shona came with Skokie.
yeah, so we talked to them a little bit.
Yes.
Oh, good. Excellent. Well, look at this. You're having such a good time. It's always a good time when Skokie comes to visit.
Yeah. Is it possible to travel when you have a puppy?
Well, when we travel, we leave Skokie at home. She does not like to go to new places, but Zoe and I like to travel. Zoe's my daughter. And where do you like to travel to?
Yeah, last year I went to Portugal and Spain, which was amazing. A little bit of culture shock when I went there.
Culture shock? What kind of culture shock did you have?
Around meal times, it's very relaxed. You sit for hours and you drink and you eat and you talk. And I really liked that. I think we're sometimes a bit rushed here, and so it was a very laid back, lots of food, lots of drinks.
Did you have any culture shock when you first came to Canada?
So I moved 4 years ago, and I think I didn't face any culture shock. Hopefully, I was lucky, I guess, because I've been thinking about living in Canada in my dreams. So I was so prepared.
Okay, so before you came to Canada, you imagined what it would be like, and then when you got here, did it meet your expectations?
I think it did. Really met my expectation, because I thought that I'm going to meet nice people, and I did. I was expecting it's going to be so cold. It's really cold. And yeah, I was all set when I moved in to Canada.
Good.
This week in the seminar, we're speaking about culture shock. Hey Andy, have you ever experienced any culture shock in Canada?
Yeah, definitely. For example, in China, when we cross the streets, we're gonna focus on the cars. But in here, the Canadian drivers, they're gonna slow down the speed and waiting for you when you wanted to cross the street. Absolutely.
That's such a good example. But I would caution you that if you are crossing the street, not all Canadian drivers are so polite. Make sure you are still paying attention. Great example. Thanks, Andy. This week, we are connecting culture shock and well-being. So when we are dealing with culture shock, we need to support our emotional and physical well-being to help us. Remember, for 136 students, you have Reading Week next week. The purpose of that week is to support your well-being. So think about what productive activities you can do over Reading Week to help you deal with culture shock.
Vicky, what is the Friday fun this week?
So yeah, this Friday, the Golden Bears are finally back to the arena. So we are going to watch the hockey together this week. And do you know our former student Gleb? He is actually in the team. So let's cheer for him. Let's go!
Hello, my name is Gleb, and I'm former EAP student. And right now I am a part of the Golden Bears team, hockey team. And for me, the hockey culture in Canada, it's so big, and I actually fell in love the second time with hockey while I was here studying. And yeah, I'm really excited for the season, and I encourage everyone to come to the game on Friday. Let's go, Golden Bears!
Okay, see you later. Oh, I finally got around to finishing reading the dictionary. Turns out the zebra did it.